I dey salute o. How una dey? Una see say una no see me last week, ba? Too many things happen last week. You know say almost every day na I dey get news is either somebody I know die or my family or my friend, their close friend die or their family member die. So that last week was too heavy for me with the negative news wey I dey get. May God no let us end this year with sorrow. True. Because this 2020, e bring plenty wahala for people. People dey wey no dem lose their job, dem sick, bad sickness, their pikin die, their papa die, their mama die. So many things wey no just go right. But Bible say in all these things, make we still give God thanks. Make we still thank God say we still dey here. We still dey here, we dey use our two eye, we dey see, we fit talk, we fit eat, we fit waka. Our hand, we fit use am because e get people wey dem still dey alive o. Dem no get hand to use, dem no get leg to waka, dem no dey see. Some dey for hospital now, dem no fit do anything. They will give all the money and everything wey dem get make dem for fit comot for that place. So make we still thank God in spite of all the things wey dey go on around us, because anybody wey dey alive get reason wey God keep am. So make we thank God for that one. The last time when I come here, I dey tell una about that my neighbor before houses away. No be only she o dey look up and down like that o. No be him. Last week na recycle week, so I dey carry my recycle out. I never even arrange the second bin. The woman wey dey across the road, she don comot for house, dey run down the step. Hey, good morning, good morning. Oh, I'm not properly dressed. I say, oh, but I need to see you. Hello, good morning. I say, shoo. Good morning, oh, me sef greet am. She say make I no look her cloth o, say she just dey comot for house. As she see me, dey put my bin outside. Now she say make she come greet me. Say she don dey look me. The same thing wey that woman talk, and she talk o. Oh, I see say you get two boys. I say, shoo. And what for dis Oyinbo people o? I say, yes, I get two boys. I get two boys, so na true you talk. How you dey? Na she come dey tell me, say, these people wey dey carry recycle, make I do am like this, make I do am like this. So I say, okay, this their ofofo sef na for good thing. E get im good side. At least, if she no tell me wetin I suppose do, I for no know, I for just leave the thing there, and these people, dem no go carry am. You do one mistake for your collection like this, you know say dem no go carry the bin. Na one for these people o. One thing, just put one thing wey no suppose to dey there. Na so dem go waka pass, leave your bin for you. For evening when you comot, you go see say nothing, dem no carry am. Na I thank her o. The one wey come dey my neighbor on the left, him sef run comot, say yes, na true. No put this, no put that. I say, oh, I don get neighbors. But I like am because e be like when person dey village or when me I dey grow up. In those days when we dey grow up, everybody know everybody. You mess up for here, na your neighbor go come tell your parents wetin you do. Or when you dey waka go somewhere, and then they tell us that time, say if we see old people, make we help them. If we see people for road, make we dey greet them. Na so dem dey do here o. People see you for road, dem go dey greet you, good afternoon, good morning, hello, how are you? You know? So it's a whole different experience for me here now. From big city to small town. But I like it. I like am. I like am well well. Anyway, I say make I come greet una o. Make una stay well o. Say next time when I come, e get one gist wey I don dey collect, wey I say I go tell una, but I dey reserve am because I wan hear the end of the matter. But all my people wey dey for Maiduguri all that time, abeg make una dey take care of una sef, because I hear say Boko Haram kill people, kill like 40 something people, farmers abi. Now when food no dey, dem go say food don cost, onion don cost. So how farmers wan go market now, I mean go farm, when dem dey kill dem for farm? And if farmers no go farm, how we go see food eat? Na who go go till the land? Na who go plant the crop? Na who go harvest am? Na who go come carry am go market go sell wey people go get? So why onions no go cost? Why tomato no go cost? Even when the farmers try go there, people dey fear to reach that kind side, the side wey Boko Haram dey kill people. Who wan go there? Or any of these villages wey dey unsafe for people to travel? So how food wan reach from farm to town now? This matter make una take am serious o. No be simple thing wey we go just say, oh, so people die, we go just carry go. E go affect all of us one way or the other. E fit be say no be your person o, but e go affect all of us. Abeg make we think this thing, make we think how we wan do am, how we wan help ourselves solve this problem. Make we think am well as we dey start this week. Make God follow us go this week o. Make bad thing no come our way o. Make we no see bad thing, make we no hear bad news. May God dey with all of us. Bye bye.